What's up, everybody? ZWade Photo. Last time I tried to go shoot a sunset with the Z9 with one of Nikon's cheapest lenses, I failed. Not this time. Now, this time we're not doing the 40mm. We're doing the 28mm f2.8 SE. That's the retro style looking one. It's the same optically as the non-SE one, and it's just because it's what was already mounted on the Z9. So anyway, let's go. Now, since we're definitely not screwing up this time, in the last video I was mentioning that what I want to do is I want to check the color of the Z9's sensor. I imagine it's going to be like the same as, you know, the other Z cameras, but you never know. I happen to think the Z9 right now, in the first initial images, the greens they seem a little more vibrant than in other cameras, but it could just be the conditions in which I'm shooting in. But anyway, we are almost to the location, and so I'll see you there. Son of a gun, we got a little too much consolidation in the sunset. We're gonna try it anyway, though. We're already out here. This water looks disgusting. See if I can do something interesting with these plants here. Quiet. See if I can get just one by itself. God, this is slimy and gross. Well, we may not actually have enough of a sunset left to make this one work, but we'll try it. Let's see how we do. Tally ho. Oh, look at all the freaking gnats. Can you see those? Gotta step through the gnats. Might go vertical on this landscape here. Oh fuck, they're swarming me. Okay, just one more that I've shot before, but I didn't like it last time, so we'll try it with the Z9. Probably the wrong lens for the job. Maybe in vertical it'll work. With 45 megapixels, I might be able to punch in. Get just a little closer.